I will never regret the day I had to give my girlfriend a birthday gift of trash because it set me free. Hey there, I'm Kiala, and if you never go AWOL, you have absolutely zero chance of achieving your lifestyle freedom goals. And in a matter of minutes, you'll discover why mastering the AWOL method is the vital secret to save you too from a lifelong prison of poverty. If you are someone who's fed up with all the broken promises of creating your own massively profitable online business, watch and listen to this 3-minute story right now. By simply watching this presentation today, all the way until the end, you'll discover your path to another way of life. The real problem when it comes to building your own online business is that there is so much misinformation, shiny object bullshit, and flat-out scams out there. Now, I can tell you this. What I'm revealing today is the raw razor's edge of online business. Zero fluff, all top shelf value, and nothing but real-world results. Every single ounce of your frustration, doubt, and fear of never becoming truly free and successful are about to be washed away. This presentation will absolutely renew your passion for changing your entire lifestyle and remind you that all hope is not lost. So keep watching to the very end. First, before we dive in, I'm going to share something with you from my personal life. To be honest, my girlfriend begged me to leave out of this presentation. You'll see why my heart-wrenching story is so important to your lifestyle freedom success in just a few minutes. You see, I wasn't always a world-traveling, 7-figure earning online marketer, and I definitely wasn't someone who was being asked to speak at entrepreneur events of over 1,800 people. In fact, I wasn't even remotely close to any of that. I remember it like it happened yesterday, but it was back in August of 2012. My girlfriend and I were chilling out on the couch over at my mom's house. At some point, my girlfriend noticed a box on my mom's table full of old purses. My mom said she was donating them to Goodwill for a friend. As we were getting ready to leave, my girlfriend pulled one of the purses out and said it was pretty cute. Little did I know that purse would rip my heart open and change the entire course of my life. 2 weeks later, on August 13th, 2012, I was back, standing in the doorway of my mom's bedroom, my whole body feeling paralyzed by shame and embarrassment. Still, it took this one moment, something so shameful and life-altering, to finally move me into effective action, and take me from feeling like a complete loser to embracing my life as a powerhouse entrepreneur. Then my mother noticed me in the bedroom doorway, staring at the floor with eyes on the brink of tears. And then I asked the question. I looked into my mom's eyes and asked her if she still had that box of used purses that she was going to donate to Goodwill. She said yes, they were in the closet down the hall. But why do you want to know about them? My mother asked me, looking kind of confused. I then had to look my mother in the face and tell her I needed to go shopping for my girlfriend's birthday gift. I had to tell her that I had absolutely zero money to buy a gift and was hoping that the one purse that Tiani liked just a couple weeks prior was still in that ragged box. So I sat down in the hallway and dug through that box to go shopping for my girlfriend's birthday gift. I gave my beautiful and loving girlfriend a gift of someone else's trash that day. I must confess to you, I've never felt that full of sadness, shame, guilt, and anger ever before. I felt completely worthless. It was in that hallway, though, that I made my most solemn oath. I vowed that I would do whatever it took to radically change my financial situation. I was done paying the prices of a poverty lifestyle, and there was no way I was going to let my loved ones pay that price too because of my excuses. I finally made the decision to divorce my excuses and marry my dreams. And once I made that choice and put in many hours of dedicated work, I discovered the most effective formula for designing your very own freedom lifestyle. Today, I'm going to share it with you and save you the pain, heartaches, and years of grinding it out it took me to streamline the system into perfection. So keep watching. Remember, despite the fact that I'm now traveling the world and considered a go-to guy in freelance digital marketing, I'm really no different than you right now. I just happen to figure out a really straightforward step-by-step freedom formula for the average Joe or Jane like you and me. So you too can see gigantic results when it comes to designing your ultimate lifestyle. This is a system created for men and women who, like me, want to achieve the absolute best that life can offer. Take back control of your schedule and begin enjoying multiple vacations without asking your boss permission. Stop trading your most valuable resource, time, for pennies on the dollar, slaving away at a dead-end job, and instead create income on demand. Even when you're resting or rocking out with friends, start to finally live your life on your terms. The AWOL 101 proprietary coaching system is your solution to amazing finances, travel, relationships, and contribution. And I'm going to share with you the streamlined formula to achieve all of it. Not to intentionally piss you off, but guess what? You've been lied to for a long time when it comes to how to succeed at creating your own financial freedom online. You've been told you need to work 80 hours a week and figure everything out on your own to succeed. And this is the reason your struggle with making money online is not your fault. The truth is that you should never solely rely upon long hours of back-breaking work in order to build your thriving business. This will cause you to wear yourself out far too fast and leave you depressed and frustrated. Plus, by falling for the lie of do it yourself, you will forever be learning, not earning. That will cause you to be caught up in the hamster wheel of working your life away and still only earn poverty-level paychecks. Listen, your belief in this bold-faced lie will forever prevent the leveraged freedom that freestyle digital marketing can provide you. The first thing I have to warn you to do is avoid making everything too damn complicated. Most people believe that if an online business is complicated, then it must be a winner. However, that just ain't true. If you keep on believing that simple can't be successful, then you're in for a long and painful ride of zero progress or profit. It may sound way too simple to work, but you need to apply a specific formula to a quality offer. That's it. You can avoid the trap of complication by plugging into a proven formula backed by high-quality coaching. By focusing on only one simple method and relying on proven mentorship, you'll fast-track your path to financial freedom. I want you to kick back and picture this. You wake up every single day with complete confidence that every action you take in your business is the most effective. You'll also be certain that every one of those actions is also leading to another boost to your bank accounts. It's mind-blowing that you can experience all these benefits just by keeping it simple and following a formula. Listen to this one. Would it surprise you to discover that you can actually enjoy learning to build your business? Most people believe you have to drag yourself through the process of designing your dream business, but I'd rather see you rock it out the whole way. Here's the secret. Treat it like a game. If you want to experience more fun and joy on your road to financial freedom, here's what you do. Look at every task completed along your path as a level up for you. Fire yourself up with every single win. Connect and celebrate within your community and coaches. Tap into the power of people who have purpose, just like you. Just keep showing up every day, fresh and ready to follow the formula, the game plan that will lead you to your cash flow championship. Simply by applying this gameplay mindset, you've cracked wide open a door to less stress, shortening your learning curve, and ramping up your rockstar results. Just imagine what your life will look like when creating your home business becomes something you enjoy. Your friends and family will be filled with shock and awe as you effortlessly stack win after win, all while they still believe it's impossible to achieve. Enjoying your journey is the key to staying on the path of progress and profit, and this straightforward coaching system will get you there ASAP. Now, are you ready for the big final tip? Warning, if you don't use this tip, you can forget about those other tips I just shared with you. This tip is that vital. This is the tip that will allow you to win no matter what. This is what every single highly successful entrepreneur leverages in order to achieve anything. Here's what you do. Believe all is possible for you. No matter what system or formula you learn, without true belief in you, nothing works. Every single day on your path, you must tell yourself that you are no different than anyone else who has succeeded at a high level. Even though we've put together a system with personalized support, it won't matter if you don't believe it works. It is your intense belief that drives the Lamborghini engine that will lead you to your ultimate success. By combining your certainty with our proven coaching system, you are virtually guaranteeing your own dream lifestyle. The AWOL 101 system we've created and perfected over the years, which I'm about to reveal to you, gives you the training, coaching, and the right opportunity. Plus, imagine this. See the shock and surprise in the eyes of your friends, family, and even strangers as you go from struggling with your home business success to mastering wealth creation on demand. Everyone will be wondering, what's up with all this success? But you'll know what's up. You've gone AWOL. On top of it all, you'll also be in complete control of your time and schedule. taking vacations whenever you want, and never again will you have a second thought about money. And right now, you can have exclusive access to the step-by-step system and personalized coaching that will set you upon your new path of prosperity. Hi, I'm Kyala Kanai, the co-creator of AWOL 101. The AWOL 101 proprietary coaching system is the only one that provides you the deep dive, personalized focus, and attention that sets you on a fast-track course to online business success. Our results-focused, step-by-step proprietary coaching process ensures you reach your financial and time freedom goals fast, even if you've been struggling mightily for years with zero results to show for it. You've been burned bad in the past by so-called mentors and coaches that gave you only a tiny piece of what you needed in order to truly succeed. You're standing on the edge of the cliff of broken dreams, hanging on for dear life for one last shot at success, even if you've lost all hope that anything can work for you. Warning, AWOL 101 is not some fairy dust unicorn farting BS coaching program. It ain't no blow smoke up your you-know-what consultation where we fill your head with ridiculous ideas. Don't you think you've been lied to enough? Isn't it time to start using what's proven to work? If you're even the least bit skeptical, have a listen to what our students have to say.
Ever since plugging into AWOL, I've been able to create a multiple 5-figure per month income, travel the world, spend months in Costa Rica, months in Hawaii, and truly live a lifestyle by design.
Everything has changed. I mean, now I'm surrounded by like-minded individuals who are inspired and living their vision, and that has meant the absolute world to me, because now I'm able to create a full-time income for myself and live the life that I've truly been desiring for well over a decade.
After getting plugged in, I've been able to earn multiple 5 figures a month, traveling to places like Hawaii, hanging out with my friends. Like, where else does a college dropout get to do stuff like that?
After 3 months of launching my second restaurant, I was able to create $30,000 in sales per week.
Not only have I created a full-time income for myself, but it's allowed me the freedom to accept the contracts that I really feel fulfilled in.
I quit my job, been traveling the world with my boyfriend for the last 2 years. We've been to places like Central America, Thailand. Now we own a home up in the mountains of Canada. To me, that is a fulfilled life, and it's all thanks to AWOL.
Our life has changed. We know who our daughter is. We get to pick her up from school. You know, we get to hang out together. We get to enjoy life.
It truly is another way of life.
Am I grateful for AWOL? Absolutely.
For us, it's a blessing, and we are so grateful.
Have a look at what's included with AWOL 101. All of it specifically designed to get you on the path to profit and progress as soon as possible. You've no doubt noticed that AWOL 101 is, without question, the easiest and most effective way for you to lock down your path to creating financial freedom, as it allows you to move forward with absolute certainty that the actions you will take will work for you. So this makes your life much easier. Here's what I mean. You won't waste hours of time and max out your credit cards playing the shiny object shell game, leaving yourself broke and feeling hopeless. Instead, you will know exactly what formula to follow, step by step, in order to maximize the perfect business opportunity that makes perfect sense for you. Imagine how freaking amazing you will feel once you know with absolute confidence that every single action you take is pumping sales into your bank account and kicking the door down to your ultimate dream lifestyle. Perhaps you're concerned that AWOL 101, with all of its life-altering and personalized attention to your goals, will cost you a freaking fortune. And in all honesty, it totally should. After all, AWOL 101 has already helped hundreds of frustrated entrepreneurs achieve lifestyle freedom faster and easier than ever. Yet, I'll get to that ridiculous reduced price I have for you today in a minute. First, I want to share a few specific game-changing advantages this proprietary coaching process can give you. Unlock the power of clarity right from the jump with our deep dive questionnaire. Get crystal clear on how you can crush it. That's not all. You'll learn the secret of avoiding the scams and scummy biz offers that never generate you a profit, and this alone is worth the investment in AWOL 101. And of course, the most epic and life-changing value you'll receive within AWOL 101 is your one-on-one coaching call, where you and your coach set your course of lifestyle design creation. Plus, you'll finally possess your personalized map that can lead you all the way to piles of buried treasure online, treasure that stayed hidden from you for years. The normal price of AWOL 101 sold by itself is $300, but that price is not for you. I'll explain why in just a moment. But first, I want to share an unexpected surprise with you. Because you've shown determination and commitment to your success by watching this entire presentation, I'm going to sweeten the deal. I'm tossing in our video training, the 4 elements, as a bonus when you order today. In this video series, you'll learn the 4 fundamentals to getting your business started right, avoiding common pitfalls, and achieving your desired results in a fraction of the time. We dive deep into the following to level up your knowledge fast. First, high ticket. Learn how to immediately scale up your income to life-altering levels by leveraging the power of high-ticket commissions. In other words, more money from less sales. Secondly, mentorship. The importance of a mentor that will guide you through challenges and avoiding mistakes that you would have otherwise made. Less mistakes equals faster progress. Next, commitment. Learn the mindset behind staying true to your path, even when challenges arise. Never worry about giving up and instead keep pushing to your next level of success. And finally, personal development. Building your highly successful freelance digital marketing business isn't just about cash in your accounts. It's also about who you become in character and mind as you continually invest in creating the best version of you. We could easily charge $97 for this high-ticket video training, but when you order today, you get it absolutely free. This means you won't even come close to paying $300 for AWOL 101 today, and only on this special page. Not even close. Guess what? Slash that $300 in half, and you're still not even close. In fact, we've pretty much gone nutso with the pricing, and it cost you $97 today. Right now, today only, and only from this presentation, your total investment in AWOL 101 is only $97 today. Look down below this video right now. You'll see that big button. Then, to lock in your super discounted price, which is extremely limited, click on that big order button that says, "Yes, I want another way of life now." Don't decide right now. Try this one on me for 14 days. In fact, use my triple guarantee. I want you to try AWOL 101 on me for a full 14 days. If you do not gain absolute clarity of your vision for your dream lifestyle business, or if you do not find our coaching, training, and attention to your complete 100% satisfaction, or even if you don't like my baseball caps or my Hang 10 Hawaiian style enthusiasm, no worries. I'll refund every penny you invested today. No hassles, no worries, and we'll part as friends no matter what. And let's just get face to face with the raw reality here. Do the only smart thing left for you to do. Take advantage of this limited time offer while you still can, and wisely get on the right path today to designing your dream lifestyle using the simple, proven, step-by-step coaching and high-impact training process. Click the big button that says, "Yes, I want another way of life now," below this very second, and let's get you started today. I'll see you on the inside.